In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily find Reels drafts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile and then just tap at that Reels icon to see all your Reels, and that's where you can easily find drafts. You can tap on it to see all your Reels drafts in one place. From here you are able to remove any of the drafts. Just hit add select, select those drafts you want to remove, and then hit add discard. In that way. Also from here you can continue editing any reel. Just get into it, hit on edit, and then you can continue creating that reel as you normally do. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.